Hi, I'm Jeremie at Pure Magic Vacations. What a week it's been in the world of Disney news. A beloved service was discontinued, a free in-park experience was cancelled, and an on-site perk was smacked around with the Nerf bat. First on the chopping block is Sorcerers of the Magic Kingdom, a free interactive game in Disney's Magic Kingdom. With the help of a map and trading cards, you would assist Merlin, the wizard, in defeating the villains who were trying to take over Disney's Magic Kingdom. The game will be discontinued on January 24th, 2021. This was a fun game for all ages, and also had a fun collectible trading card aspect. This is definitely a game that will be missed. Similar to A Pirate's Adventure in Adventureland, Sorcerers of the Magic Kingdom was another piece that added to the magic of Magic Kingdom. Next up is Disney's Magical Express, the free airport shuttle service that brings guests from Orlando International Airport to your Disney resort. Starting on January 1st, 2022, the service will be discontinued. This service will definitely be missed by my family and clients. Disney has not officially announced any new services to take its place. It's likely that they are hoping to rely on the new Bright Line high-speed train that is set to begin operations in 2022. The train connects Orlando International Airport to Disney Springs. The other options still available are rideshare services, taxi, car rentals, or private vehicle transfers. That's right, a chauffeur holding your name on a sign. The Magical Express was by far the most convenient option for families with young children, as it meant you didn't need to carry around a car seat or booster. I go over the different car seat options available with my clients depending on the mode of transportation that they select. If your children are 4 years or older, there is a solution available no matter which option you take. Personally, I suggest the mifold, a portable booster seat that's about the size of a clutch purse and it weighs about 1.5 pounds. It easily fits in your day bag or the front pocket of your suitcase. They are easy and quick to install and remove from any vehicle that has a seatbelt that includes a shoulder strap. We bought these for my daughters to use and they have paid for themselves. They have provided us with the peace of mind to simply pick our preferred method of transportation and not worry about the quality or sanitary conditions of an unknown car seat. They are available in Canada with prices ranging from $50 to $60 each. Finally, we have the remake of Extra Magic Hours. Before the Extra Magic Hours were paused, guests staying on site would have exclusive access to the park that was offering Extra Magic Hours that day. Each day, one of the parks would either open early or close late for guests staying on site. When the on-site perk returns, it will allow on-site guests to enter any of the 4 theme parks 30 minutes early. There will no longer be any Extra Magic Hours in the evening. I personally have mixed feelings about this. Extra Magic Hours always add another layer of difficulty while trying to plan the perfect itinerary for my clients, so this change will make planning a little easier. On the other hand, some of the best Disney World memories I have with my family are the extremely late nights where we are all running around on a mix of adrenaline, sugar, and pixie dust, trying to get as many rides as we can before the park closes. Those were the top 3 headlines in the world of Disney news that got my attention. Feel free to add any other news that got your attention in the comments. Like and subscribe to stay up to date on Disney news. Hopefully next week is a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day.